Hi, it's Gaz here from Moth Creaturae with just a quick update on this bed that I'm making for Little Legs. So as you'll remember from the previous videos, it's all like it was the first time I was actually doing carpentry, if you like. Made the bed out of wood using old traditional methods like wooden pegs to hold it together. There's no screws or anything like that, and it's solid. I've also clad the bottom, or wrapped the bottom of the bed in brown leather and used the old upholstery tacks to keep it in place, you know, where need to, but also to give quite a nice design feature to it, you know, the nickel coloured upholstery tacks. The top end is going to be clad with metal, and this is where the theme aviation comes from. So when you see furniture out there called aviation chair or aviation seat or whatever it is, it'll be referring to the metal cladding that's on it. And the way that they do it is you kind of get your thin sheet metal or your aluminium or what, and you drill holes in it, measure obviously where you're going to put these holes, and you drill holes in it and then you rivet it, and it gives the appearance of, well, the kind of take home feature from the fuselage of an aircraft, you know, where it's all riveted metal. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I've cut it with snips, bits in it, you know, which will be design features. Otherwise you wouldn't bother with the cuts, you just like sort of secure the whole piece of metal to it. But cut the slips in like this, measure out where I want to drill my holes, and then what I've got to do is, because it's smooth metal, my drill bit will just like skate all over that. So I'm going around it with a hole punch now. Well, not a hole punch, a punch, just so I can put like an indentation in, so my drill bit sticks into that little sort of indentation when I drill, make it nice and tidy, and then I'll rivet it. It's a painful bloody job, it just takes a long time and it's boring, but anyway, once I've finished this and I start assembling the headboard, I'll do another video update so you can see how it's working out. Until then, stay tuned, take care, bye.